edition, the Soapbox, the Speaker's Corner of debate programmes, with me, Aki Nawaz, and my co-host, my partner in crime, Tariq Mahmood. Today we're going to be talking about something really interesting which affects us all, and it's basically an issue which has many layers and many dynamics and probably very complex kind of approaches to it. But it's basically, who is proud to be British? And we've actually purposely called it British because we just wanted to have a bit of humour to the programme today. And we just want to go through some of the issues that affect us all, the debates and what's going on behind closed doors. Because within my family and in Bradford and people all over the country that I meet, there's a lot of problems and a lot of issues that we never get to hear about on the kind of TV programmes. We never get enough time to deal with these complex issues. You know, we all know that there's a soundbite culture out there, and a lot of things we are being dictated about. So we want to talk about what it is to be British. We want to talk about a bit about the history, arts and literature, all these subgroups that are in there. So the lines are open, the telephone lines, feel free. We don't have any guests today, and basically me and Tariq are going to be spouting off whatever we think about these issues. We'll probably both get arrested at the end of the show, so we'll let you know what prison we're in, so you can come and visit us. But anyway, Tariq, another day, history. I just want to talk, are you proud to be British or British?
Well, I think that the important question, Aki, is this, that all of us who live here, and many of the people who watch the scenarios unfolding in Britain, what has happened is that, you know, we are constantly made to prove our loyalty. You know, at the moment, they're ramming home this issue of community cohesion. But this is not new.
Then there was this thing about, you know, we've got a British culture. Why aren't they being British? Not that long ago, you had Norman Tebbit, you know, with the cricket quote. I'll read the quote out for you, then I'll come out. Norman Tebbit said in an interview to the Los Angeles Times, "Which side do they cheer for? It's an interesting test. Are you still harking back to where you came from? That's being said today in different ways."
Actually, you have actually missed that because he said you can only have one master. That quote
Of opportunities that come up. Who will trade on the backs of Muslims? You know, and of course, on the other hand, there's plenty of Muslims who are going in, you know, jumping into bed with the secret agents of this country, who are taking money by this way, that way, even forming new religious bodies.
Well, I've always said that in terms of the current conflict, we just deal with it briefly, but if any Muslim says we need money to solve the problems, you know, in our communities, you know, with the backdrop of, you know, terrorism or whatever extremism, is a complete and utter liar, because you know, foreign policy has always been the issue for me for years and years, and that's what causes the conflict to arrive here. But what is it with the establishment that it loves? And I just put my hands to my head and I thought, he had to go so far back, and I find the same, you know, thing, you know, where people only refer to kind of the Spanish, the Inquisition.
Yeah, that's not fair. What you have.
I think we've got a caller online. Yes, caller, can you give your name and your bank account number, caller? No, your name.
My name is Nazia. I don't know why. I'm just wondering why the screen has got a question written on it. Who is proud to be British? Is there a reason for a P rather than a B?
We just wanted to add a bit of humour to the word British.
Well, actually, no. It is a bit more complicated than that, Nazia. Look,
Right.
Nazia.
So are you going to play on it with no mistake?
No. Actually, we've had enough. You know, I am in my 50s, and since I've been in this country, I've been trying to work out a British care, and what on earth are we all supposed to be? How do we become what the masters want us to become? I mean, I say that whatever the B, if we put the B in front of it, then certainly I can see evil. I can see evil stretching into history. if we put a P into it, I can at least begin to understand that there's some hope left.
Oh, what kind of hope does P give you?
Well, the P in itself doesn't give us much hope, but the point is the change in Britishness may do. Okay, thank you, Nazir.
Nazia, what is it? Sorry, was there a point?
She made a very good point.
Yeah, but
Coming back onto the thing now.